Ustadh, what advice do you give to someone who struggles reading the Quran due to learning difficulties? I say to them, inshallah ta'ala, carry on reading the Quran, and inshallah ta'ala you're going to fall under the ones who Allah tabarak, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that are going to get two rewards. Okay? The person who's trying, who's reading the Quran, exerting all of the efforts, wallahi, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He raises them. The hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, hadith Aisha في Bukhari Muslim, الذي يقرأ القرآن وهو ماهر به مع السفرة الكرام البررة والذي يقرأ القرآن وهو يتتعتع فيه وهو عليه شاق له أجران. صح. If a person is reciting the Quran and they're reading it with fluency, that person is going to be with the سفرة الكرام البررة. Like the one who's reciting the Quran and he's struggling and he's struggling and he's struggling, then ويتتعتع فيه, and it's hard, he can't really do it, وهو عليه شاق له أجران, he gets two reward. So inshallah ta'ala, that person inshallah ta'ala is of great virtue. Don't stop, carry on. Inshallah ta'ala, it will come. Fluency will come inshallah ta'ala. Also, brothers and sisters, don't accept anyone to tell you that, because of learning difficulties, you can't do this or that. Try to push yourself to your limits. And inshallah ta'ala, everyone is not the same, of course, right? The way Allah tabarak wa ta'ala, He gives the rizq to people in different levels. There's somebody who's rich, right? Allah's given them a lot of rizq. And the same is when it comes to knowledge and when it comes to learning and studying. So if that is what Allah willed for you, subhanahu wa ta'ala, then that's what Allah willed for you. But you have to exert all of your effort. What I'm trying to say is, don't let a belief that's put into your head stop you from attaining what you're looking for. Because you have learning difficulties, you can't you have this belief, you've been told you have learning difficulties, so you can't do it, so you just stop and you say everything. When you're told to do it, you say, I can't do it because I have learning difficulties. It's something we should stay away from, inshallah ta'ala.